Setup Guide, Wavlink Wi-Fi Extender 2025. This video features the latest guide to set up Wavlink Wi-Fi Extender 2025. Watch the video to understand how to configure the device and enjoy extended coverage area. Plug the extender in a wall outlet near your router and turn it on by pressing the power button. Connect PC to the extender's Wi-Fi network, either wirelessly or through Ethernet cable. For wireless connection, open PC's Wi-Fi settings and select extender's SSID from the list of networks. For cable connection, use an Ethernet cable to connect extender and computer. Open web browser, and enter either the default IP address 192.168.10.1 or URL address waplogin.link. Wavlink setup page will be loaded. Click Begin Configuration button to initiate the setup process. Select your country/region and time zone, and then click Next. Next, select the repeater mode from the given options of extender modes. Now, select the Wi-Fi you wish to extend and click Next. If not found in the list, click the Rescan button. Enter the password for the selected Wi-Fi network, and then configure a new Wi-Fi name and password for the extender. Save settings. Now, your Wavlink extender will start extending the Wi-Fi network. The Wavlink extender can also be configured in Mesh Extender mode, AP, Access Point mode, or Mesh Router mode. You can learn these methods using the reference links in the video's description. Thank you.